Maybe you like duffel bags, but can't deal with sore and painful shoulders anymore. If so, then a wheel duffel bag was built just for you. They're the next best thing, especially for weekend getaways and road trips. There are many products available to choose, rolling duffels, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rolling duffels from reputable brands. After much research, I found these. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. OGIO Terminal Travel Bag. If you're planning around the world adventure and need a bag that can fit weeks worth of belongings while also withstanding the rigors of international travel, you'll love the OGIO Terminal Travel Bag. It's constructed of durable 420 denier nylon, with protective reinforced skid bars on the back panel. We found it lightweight yet so strong it didn't show any signs of our repeated bad and drop tests. In terms of capacity, we'd have scored it a 10 if we could, with enough space to fit clothes, shoes, and accessories for 14 days. The skate wheels and retractable handle helped the duffel to move smoothly and quietly through our obstacle course, while multiple grab handles came in handy for loading it into cars and buses. Colors, except for sober black pin dot, are eye-catching with names like Double Camo, Acid Waves, and Nebula. Dimensions: 29x16x 13 inches, weight 10.6 pounds. Capacity: 95. Number 4. Abag's Mother Load Checked Rolling Duffel. With a durable, molded bottom and flexible polyester top, this rolling duffel from Mother Load divides into 2 sections. The zipper top compartment features a mesh storage pocket and compression straps, while the bottom compartment is unstructured, except for 2 large pockets perfect for shoes or toiletries. Both sides of the bag are deep, allowing space to configure your belongings. We packed for a week and still had room to spare without using the 3 exterior pockets or the zippered expansion feature. We found the overall quality good, with zippers that opened easily, smooth rolling wheels, and a sturdy telescoping handle. The latter offers 3 height settings for maximum stability and comfort. It was easy to maneuver over and around obstacles, and survived our durability tests with no signs of damage. Dimensions: 29 x 17 x 15 inches. Weight: 12 pounds. Capacity: not published. Number 3. Vera Bradley Foldable Rolling Duffel Bag. Made from Vera Bradley's lightweight recycled reactive fabric, the foldable rolling duffel bag wins points for sustainability by saving 24 plastic bottles from landfill. It's also water repellent and survived our durability tests without sustaining any damage. The main compartment features a mesh slip pocket and a concealed bottom compartment, perfect for separating shoes or dirty laundry. We fit everything on our packing list before realizing this bottom compartment existed. There are also 2 zippered pockets on the outside of the duffel. Dimensions: 20.5 x 12.5 x 10 inches. Weight: 5.6 pounds. Capacity: not published. Number 2. Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels. The Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag features 1,200 denier PVC, making it waterproof, lightweight, and, as our tests proved, exceptionally durable. Coming in at roughly a quarter of the price of our overall winner, we felt it offered incredible value for money, especially given its innovative design. The large main compartment features a U-shaped opening for easy access, and easily fits everything on our packing list. We love the half suitcase half duffel concept, with a structured bottom that gives contents an extra layer of protection. Organization features include an interior zippered mesh pocket, 2 exterior pockets, and clever compression straps that fasten outside the duffel to keep everything in place. The duffel comes with high-quality X zippers and balanced bottom feet that allow it to stand upright on its own. Dimensions: 33 x 16 x 15 inches. Weight: 11.35 pounds. Capacity: 100 liters. Number 1. Travelers Club Upright Rolling Duffel Bag. Made from surprisingly sturdy 600 denier polyester, the Travelers Club Spedition Duffel Bag retails for just over a tenth of the price of our overall winner. Despite its low cost, it held up well to our durability tests, with no obvious dents, tears, or broken elements. The main compartment is spacious, so much so that we had room left after packing for a 10 to 14 day winter trip, but lacks organization features. This was more than made up for by the bag's exterior, however, which features no fewer than 6 extra large zippered accessory pockets. Most importantly, though, it was strong enough to maneuver the bag around our simulated airport obstacles, while the wheels rolled smoothly over hard surfaces. Finally, the duffel features a tri-fold bottom for convenient storage. Dimensions: 30 x 13 x 12 inches. Weight: 6.6 pounds. Capacity: 77 liters. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool product.